Hi everyone, and welcome to this Fan Art Friday video. In this video, I'm drawing the Hulk. I decided to use graphite, and I like to use my mechanical pencil with HB leads, also occasionally using a 6B pencil to add some darker shading. Then, to smooth the shading and to help with the skin texture process, I used blending sticks. Then to add highlighting, I used a small eraser and a white GellyRoll pen. Recently, I found this style of drawing to be so fun. I find it really relaxing to just focus on adding as much detail as I can to areas like the skin texture and to the eyes and the highlighting, and just trying to add lots of tiny details everywhere across the drawing. It's such a fun process, and I really hope you enjoy this time lapse. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I remember attempting a comic style drawing of the Hulk a few years ago, and this time it was so fun to try a graphite drawing. Be sure to let me know what you think of this in the comments below, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe, and any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow my progress and see photos before I post these videos, then please check out the links in the description box below to check out my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.